Oh no. 7. I'm going to tell me the one again. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I am a 10. 10? What's that figure on? Oh. Well, I figured out how they think of him. 100,000. And keep it the 100,000. Really? Oh my god. 10 plus 10 equals 20. I am a 20. 20 plus 10 equals 30. Gosh. What help? You borrowed a glass. 20 plus 20 equals 40. 40 plus 40 equals 8. 50 plus 50 equals 100. I am 100. I'm a giant 10. Lots of 10. 100. You think what a minute there? Woo! Three is scared. 100! You scared me! I'm not a monster. I'm a 100. I'm a number. You look at this one eye. Yes. The will is the way the better. 100! We're thinking what they can land. Right. 100 plus 100 and plus 100 plus 1. No. It's the same part I get up to. 100 and times 10 equals 1,000. I am 1,000. I would really do it. I'm a 1,001. Hello, 10. Hello, 1,000. Hello, 100. I love you so much. You got bigger. Wow, you put my foot on him. But 7's rainbow. What the? Did you want to get a phone? Oh. Actually, it's rather good to know. When I was actually something, you think I will live wrong? 1, 2. Oh! It's a gurgling item. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh! 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I got the 30 glasses. What do you mean about the glass? A glass? There was more. And we are falling. Oh! 7. You will would you with the broken? This is glass. No. There was one of them. Aww. Why, you little... Why, you little... Why, you little... Ah! Why, you little... Why, you little... Forgive me. 7. Forgive me. 9. You will resist my friend. Yay! I'm perfect bunty processing. 0, are you returned? Yes, I'm returned.